Hi everyone. Today I'll be walking you through the error spot part 2. As you've seen the error part 1 probably, I would suggest you to see it if you haven't seen it. So let's go start with some nouns have one meaning in the singular and the other meaning in the plural. That means some words or some nouns especially have one meaning in singular and the other meaning in plural. Okay. Yeah. See, this is advice, which means console, and the other advice means it's a piece of information. Okay. Next, we have air here. Air is naturally a thing that is atmosphere. Airs, just plural, and it's not the amount, a big amount of air. It is actually proud here. Authority, command, authorities. Authorities, as authorities, you would be knowing persons and power. Okay, then we have good is wise, sorry, and goods. You might be knowing the goods and service taxes. That is recently, not recently, pretty much it had come before, way before some time. That's goods, that's a property. And this is iron. You might be knowing it's a metal. Irons, it's a chain or fetters. Okay, got that. Force, force is a strength. Forces, so this is forces. At least you might be knowing it's army, any other India armed forces for that matter. Content, satisfaction, and contains, things contained. Okay. Physic is medicine. Physics, you might be knowing, is a subject that most of the people have read through. Respect is regards, respects is compliment. And then you have work, that's a job, and works, got that? Works, compositions and factories. Earning is income, earnings is sowing. Okay. Then you have quarter is 1/4, that is like 25% of a percentage. And quarters is its house, it's like the colonies that are being provided or facilitated by the company or any other organization for that matter. Okay. Next we have while using everybody, everyone, anybody, each, and other pronoun of the masculine or feminine gender is used according to the content. Okay. So what does this content means? You read it here. It's a satisfaction. Okay. Here is an example. Each of the 6 boys in the class has finished his task. Got that? While using everybody, everyone, anybody, and each, the pronoun of the masculine or feminine gender is used according to the content. Okay, each of the 6 boys. So we are able to see that there are 6 boys which is supposed to be male here, and that is the reason you are using his task. So each of the 6 boys in the class has finished his task. Next, we have enjoy, apply, resign, quit, drive, exert, avail, pride, absent, etc. Okay, with these things, when you used as transitive verbs, always take a reflexive pronoun after them. Okay, so when self is added to my, your, him, her, and it, and selves to our and them, they are known as reflexive. So reflexive is something it's about you, the person who is writing it or person who is reading it about that person. It is like himself. Got that? It's like him, himself, myself, yourself, herself, itself. He absented himself. It is see, it's here, and it's himself from the class. Okay. Next we have who denotes the subject. Okay, I'll just like mark it. And who denotes the subject. Okay, whereas whom is used for the object. Okay, who is a subject whereas whom is object. You can remember this, how I would say, you see, because there's OM here and that is OB here. So that is more of, you can associate things to the to which you remember well. And who do you think won the award? So who is a subject here? Kada? Next, who is used for living persons? Maybe if I just gave this same thing in the first part too, and I'm repeating this thing again here. Which for lifeless object? Okay. Got it? Which book do you read? Which book do you read? Which perfume that you use? Anything like that. When denotes a general sense. Okay, a general sense, and while implies a time duration of doing something. Okay, while learning how to sing, technique is of utmost important. Okay? So while is something which is related to the time duration, and that is why we are using while here while learning. So when you're learning how to sing, it's a duration that is being noticed here. Okay, next we have unless expresses a condition. Okay, it's a condition and is always used in a negative sentence, thus not is never used with unless. This is the main point that I would like mark it with the other color so you'll remember it well. That's thus does not, sorry, thus okay, not is never used with unless you work hard you will not excel in the examination. So there's a comma. It is not that I have used it. This is actually right. This is right. Whatever it is being stated here, it's right here. So because what it says is right. Okay. Unless you not do not work hard, so that doesn't mean like anything. So unless you work hard, so you're not supposed to use any not sentence in this from here to here. Got that? From here to here. This is right actually. Unless you work hard, you will not excel because it's been separated by the comma here. Okay. Next, though is followed by yet, not by but. Okay. Simple. Though is supposed to be followed by yet. Though he is poor, yet he is honest. Nice and cool. Some is used in affirmative sentences to express quantity or degree. Any is used in negative or interrogative sentences. Okay, I shall buy some drinks or anything for that matter. Okay, it's an affirmative sentences or quantity of degree. Okay, and some may be correctly used in correctly interrogative sentences, which I in fact request. I shall read some book. Okay, use little or little the little. How is that you supposed to use it? Little means it's hardly any. It's very much less. That's what you can guess. There is a little hope of his recovery. Got it? Okay. A little means some. Actually, because it's like okay, it means some. Though not much, yeah. Though not much because when little is there, it cannot be much there. And then example for that thing is a little knowledge is a dangerous thing. Okay, use of elder, older. Older refers to a person, to persons, as well as things, and is followed by than. It's just important. This older is being followed by than. Okay, Ram is older than all other boys of this area. Okay, elder is used for members of family. Okay, see this is important. Elder is used for members of family. Suresh is yeah elder brother or somebody's brother. Okay. uh, yeah, I'll just read out the sentence. Suresh is my elder brother. That's right. Normally than is used in comparative degree but with words like superior, inferior, junior, prior, anterior, posterior, and prefer to is used. Okay, Shelley is junior to Wordsworth. Yeah, probably that much for today. We're ending the session. Thank you.